Sahih Al-Bukhari 3481, narrated Abu Hurairah radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, the Prophet sallallaho alaihi said, a man used to do sinful deeds, and when death came to him, he said to his sons, after my death, burn me and then crush me and scatter the powder in the air, for by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, if Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has control over me, He will give me such a punishment as He has never given to anyone else. When he died, his sons did accordingly. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala ordered the earth, saying, collect what you hold of his particles. It did so, and behold, there he was, the man standing. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala asked him, what made you do what you did? He replied, O my Lord, I was afraid of you. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala forgave him. Another narrator said, the man said, fear of you, O Lord. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3482, narrated Abdullah bin Umar radiyallahu ta'ala anhuma, Allah's Messenger sallallaho alaihi said, a lady was punished because of a cat which she had imprisoned till it died. She entered the hellfire because of it, for she neither gave it food nor water as she had imprisoned it, nor set it free to eat from the vermin of the earth. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3483, narrated Abu Mas'ud Uqba radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, one of the saying of the prophets which the people have got is, if you do not feel ashamed, then do whatever you like. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3484, narrated Abu Mas'ud radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, one of the saying of the prophets which the people have got is, if you do not feel ashamed, then do whatever you like. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3485, narrated Ibn Umar radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, while a man was walking, dragging his dress with pride, he was caused to be swallowed by the earth and will go on sinking in it till the day of resurrection. Like and subscribe my channel for more hadith videos. Allah bless you. Allah Hafiz.